How to get rid of allergies. Part 1. Histamines. When I was a boy with severe allergies and asthma, I wondered, what's the difference between someone with allergies and someone without? Well, over the years, I've discovered 4 factors. The first is histamine levels, the second is genetics, the third is toxicity, and the fourth is mind-body, meaning that stress, emotions, and even some of the energy pathways in the body can actually trigger or affect allergies and asthma. Well, on this video, I'm going to share with you some simple solutions for what to do about each of these. But we're going to start with histamines. Histamines are a natural protection in the immune system. I know more people know about antihistamines than histamines, and for that matter, antihistamines can actually increase your histamine level. Excess histamine is what can often cause asthma attacks and allergy attacks and everything that goes with it, like sneezing, sniffling, shortness of breath, rash, etc. High histamine can even cause anxiety disorders. And one of the things I discovered recently is that I had this bad pain in my neck and my shoulders, and it just wouldn't go away no matter what I did. I'd get some chiropractic work, it'd be fine till the next morning. I'd get some body work, it'd be fine till the next morning. It would always come back the next day exactly the same as it had been. And what I discovered I had high histamine levels in my body. So I went down to a store and purchased particular teas and a little oil spray and some particular herbs that are known to lower histamine. And within an hour it was gone, and it did not come back the next day. So you may be wondering, am I creating too many histamines? Well, if you're having those kind of allergic responses, the chances are yes, you are. And part of the problem could be toxins inside the body, that the body's responding to toxicity from within the body. And also it could be responding to toxins from outside as well, triggering a histamine response. And you may have just too many histamines, hence your response is too much for the situation. And then the other thing is the genetic side of it, that certain particular genes, if they're weak, indicate that you don't have the enzymes to break down histamine. Well, the first time I got rid of my allergies and asthma, I actually used the approach of getting rid of toxins. There was shown that there's certain toxicity in my body, and I did an herbal detox to remove the toxins inside, which lowered my histamine and actually got rid of my allergies and my asthma. So you may be wondering, are my allergies genetic? Well, I discovered recently there's a genetic test you can do. It's saliva. It's only about $100. And it actually showed specifically histamine genes in my system. And from that, it actually also showed that my efficiency was only about 54%. So that gene was only half expressed, and hence I probably didn't have the enzymes to break down or clear histamine. So that kind of explained the pattern, and also the pattern in my family of seeing that some of my current family and ancestors had allergies and asthma as well. So what's the solution? Well, low histamine foods are going to help. There are certain foods that create a lot of histamine, or tend to, in the body. There are herbs that lower histamines. There are herbs and nutrients that can eliminate toxicity in parts of the body that, when they're toxic, will actually overproduce histamine. And then there are also nutrients you can take that are designed for the weakness in the genetics around histamine. And those may be ones you take regularly, just so your body is able to break down histamine on a regular basis. For a complete list of the herbs and foods for lowering histamine, where you can get the in-home $99 genetic test, it's a saliva test. It's really simple to take. It takes about a month to get your results back, but that will show histamine weaknesses and a lot of other things about your health. And then where to get the nutrition recommendations if you do show the genetic weakness. Also, everything I did and what worked for me, and what I used to create a toxin-free environment, and also how I beat asthma. Check out my book called The Allergy Cure That Worked. It's available on Amazon, Amazon Prime. You can get it on Kindle via the link below. Or to get a free copy, just simply buy the book on Amazon, write a review, send me an email link, and I'll refund 100% of your money. Follow the links below and subscribe to this channel for the next allergy video, which will include a live Q&A with some of the experts on alternative approaches to getting rid of asthma and allergies from the natural health field. You can also go to Allergy Relief Online to get the book, or also to read my story, just everything I went through in terms of asthma and allergies. And I really hope this helps you. The reason I really want to make the book available for free is I really want to give people some of the knowledge they need to really get rid of the problem as I did. Have a blessed day.